Welcome. If you wanna change the volume button function on your camera in Xiaomi Black Shark 2, let's enter the camera, click here on the three horizontal lines, then move to the settings, and right now we have to click on the press and hold shutter button. Sorry, it's not this one. We have to click on the volume buttons function, and currently it's set up on the shutter cut down, but we can change it on the shutter, zoom and volume. So let me show you that we are going to change for the zoom, and let's use it right now. And we zoom in, and when we change it on the shutter, you will see that if I just tap the volume button, we'll be able to take a photo instead of clicking right here. So it might help you in some situations, right? Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.